Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cryptofi token. Now Cryptofi is about to be listed in 2 days on a central exchange. Ticker symbol is CFI. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Cryptofi. So it was just announced on Mexc Global's Twitter 2 hours ago that Cryptofi will be listed on Mexc Global December 8th, 12 o'clock UTC time. So you'll be able to get this token then. If you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CFI, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. December 8th, that's when you can get it. So there is a total supply here, or max supply, I should say, of 1 trillion CFI tokens. It's a BEP20 token. Their official webpage is cryptofi.info. They also have a Twitter, Telegram, Medium, full white paper, BSC scan. All those things are listed on the Mexc Global announcement. You can find their Twitter at cryptofi_info. So they have 24,300 Twitter followers, and they just joined in October, so they're doing very well. Their white paper here is 9 pages. It's not insanely long like some white papers are. So that's good. Some of them are unreadable because of how long they are. So about Cryptofi. Cryptofi is a play-to-earn NFT game that will allow investors the ability to win coins, participate in many events, and have fun. Cryptofi will combine a fully verifiable blockchain and unlimited earning potential due to the decentralized community participation. We expect that blockchain gaming will bring a lot of new users to the crypto space while creating many new jobs and financial benefits, as well as increasing the adoption rate of crypto drastically. So it's got play to earn. So it says Cryptofi game is for coin lovers. The players need to collect as many coins as possible in order to win. Crypto holders will enjoy first impressions of the game. The NFT holders will be able to use their characters in the play-to-earn game and win rewards, including CFI tokens and valuable assets. So they have a full CertiK audit. So if you're not sure who CertiK is, they are the leading crypto auditor, according to a lot of people in the crypto space. So it's great that they have that. You could check out their full audit. So like I said, it's a BEP20 token. Max supply 1 trillion tokens. So tokenomics, it says 0.5% of the tokens go to IEO, 0.5% go to the NFT lineup, 0.8% 0.8% of the tokens go to game development, 0.8% of the tokens go to airdrop and weekly giveaways, 1% go to public sale, and 1.4% go to the team. And then 95% of the tokens are locked monthly with a vesting schedule until 100% of the tokens get unlocked. So they have huge NFT lineup with accessories to support the Cryptofi game. Full play-to-earn game development. It says best 2023 play-to-earn. In-house swap hub technology, the Cryptofi swap. And giveaways and rewards on a weekly basis. So their roadmap here starts with website launched, token created. We got IEO on Bitmart, listing on Bitmart, Cryptofi swap, 50,000 community members, marketing campaign, get audited, media coverage, and then what's coming up next, they're going to have the play to earn game release, then listing on a decentralized exchange. So this is a BEP20 token. This will eventually be listed on PancakeSwap. Then we got airdrop campaigns, burn events, NFT collection, game implementation, iOS and Android launch. And then their partners are listed on here as well. So they have BSC Scan, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Bitmart, MarketWatch, Digital Journal, Benzinga, CoinSniper.net, CoinHunters, CoinMoonHunt, CoinScope, and GemFinder. So they have a section here about what is Cryptofi, what is play to earn. Basically, their white paper is identical to their web page. So right now they have this token listed on Bitmart, like I said, and IndoX. And then they have the new announcement here that they're going to be listed on Mexc Global December 8th. Now, I don't use Bitmart. I don't use IndoX. They're kind of lesser exchanges. Mexc Global is just an amazing exchange, especially for the low fees. That's why I like Mexc Global, like super low fees compared to some other places. And yeah, you can check out their Medium articles as well. They have basic, it's almost the same on, like I just noticed that their white paper is identical to their web page, and then I just looked at their Medium articles and it's almost identical to their Medium articles. So it's like once you looked at one, you pretty much looked at them all. Their pinned tweet here at their top of their Twitter, which is at Cryptofi_info, is talking about their new listing on Mexc Global. And they have, usually they have contests and stuff like that on socials. I don't know if they even have that on here. Scrolling through their Twitter, just almost the same identical information on their Twitter as well, which is very strange that they don't have anything new on any of these pages. Yeah, their Twitter is the exact same information as their webpage and their white paper and their Medium articles. So maybe if you're looking for new info, try to join their Telegram maybe? I'm not sure. But anyways, that's the only one I didn't look at. But I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token is going to be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.